Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Watch Collector, where we explore the world of fine watches. My name is Raghav, and today we will be unboxing and having a look at one of the most legendary dive watches ever made. Some watches don't need a nickname, their reference number is iconic enough, and the SKX007, it's one of them, a legend from Seiko that punches way above its price. So, without any further ado, let's unbox the Skull Classic. So here's the box, ladies and gentlemen. The packaging is classic Seiko, minimal, no frills or flashy presentations. A simple white box with the Seiko logo. So let's go ahead and let's remove the lid of the box now. So inside this box, you get another box with all the documentations. Firstly, you have the certificate of guarantee. Seiko watches in the UK are covered by a 2-year manufacturing guarantee. Then, we have the European guarantee paperwork and instructions on how to avail the guarantee with all the service center details across the globe. Up next, you get the instruction manual for operating the watch. That's all the documentation you get, no grand presentations, just the essentials, much like the watch itself. While you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos from the Watch Collector. And finally, here we have another white box with the Seiko branding on it. Let's go ahead and open the box and finally reveal the watch. So here's the watch, ladies and gentlemen, the Seiko SKX007. A watch Seiko quietly discontinued, but the watch community just refused to let go, and for good reason. Right out of the box, the SKX007 screams purpose, and the first thing you will notice is the classic diver DNA. A matte black dial, bold white indices, and that instantly recognizable case shape. The version I have here is the SKX007K2. The watch was priced just under £200 when it was launched. It was known for its affordability and excellent value, which contributed significantly to its cult classic status. It's important to note that since its discontinuation, prices on the secondary market have increased, few of them even selling for about £1,000 now. Let's have a closer look at the watch now and dive deep into the specs of the watch and see what makes it legendary and see if it still deserves a place on your wrist in 2025. When you hold the watch, the first thing you will notice is the build quality. It feels solid, has a good weight, and very reassuring in the hand. The stainless steel case measures 43.5 mm in diameter with a lug-to-lug distance of about 46 mm and a thickness of 13.3 mm. On paper, it sounds large, but wears surprisingly compact, thanks to the short lugs and the curved case profile. The finishing is classic Seiko, brushed on the top, polished on the sides. It's not flashy, but catches light in just the right way. The crown at 4 o'clock is recessed and screwed down, helping it achieve its 200-meter ISO water resistance rating. This isn't just a dive style watch, this is a real diver. Now, let's take a look at the dial. Matte black, super clean, with oversized round and rectangular indices, filled with Seiko's famous LumiBrite. The legibility is fantastic, day or night. Even after the hours in the dark, the lume still glows brightly. This is one area where Seiko always delivers. The sword style hour hand and the arrow minute hand are instantly legible underwater or in the dark. You also get a dated complication at 3 o'clock, framed for added visibility. The bezel is a 120-click unidirectional bezel. It's grippy and easy to rotate, with a pip at 12, giving it that classic dive watch look. At the back of the Seiko SKX, you have a stainless steel case with a classic Seiko wave symbol, which is very similar to the great wave of Kanagawa. Inside the Seiko SKX ticks the Seiko 7S26, an automatic workhorse movement. No hand winding or hacking here, it winds on your wrist. It will keep ticking through the years of wear and tear. The movement is designed for longevity, not luxury. Now, let's talk about the strap and comfort. The watch originally came with the standard stock Seiko rubber strap. But I always wanted a Jubilee bracelet, so I went on to get a Jubilee bracelet from Miltat, which definitely elevated the look of my SKX. It feels luxurious and comfortable at the same time. Bracelet is stainless steel and has the standard double lock diver's clasp, which is extremely secure and durable. I would highly recommend checking out the Strapcode website for the bracelet and it's also available on the Amazon.com. The watch is incredibly versatile. Whether you are dressing up for a formal occasion, heading to the office, enjoying a casual date, or even exploring on a vacation. Launched in 1996 and discontinued around 2019, the SKX007 has built a massive following. It became the go-to first real watch for thousands of collectors. So, is the Seiko SKX007 still worth in 2025? Absolutely, if you can find one at a fair value. The SKX007 remains more than just a watch. It's a gateway piece, a collector's rite of passage, and for many, the beginning of a lifelong obsession. It's not perfect, but that's the part of the charm. It's one of those watches that just makes sense. Let me know in the comments, do you still rock your SKX or are you hunting for one on the secondary market? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, drop a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth watch content coming soon. This is Raghav signing out from The Watch Collector. Until next time, keep thinking.